top is smart for sitting in the middle, huh? It's popping. Yeah, I think it's about to get flicked. He said stop popping. He said stop popping, I'll pull you over. What did he say? He said stop popping or I'm gonna pull you over. Oh. I'm dead, bro. I got that on camera too. That's hilarious. Yeah, let's hear that, bro. That's the RX-7, I think. What the hell is that? Oh, you see this? You got it. This place not even on right. What the hell? Is that on 4? Okay. That's a nice AMG. That's nice. Hey Nick, do it for the YouTube. Hey, but the thing is, you would have ran. Daytona. Oh, look at that Lexus. That's clean. BMW. Z06 convertible. The cop is pulling in here. So these. Where do you want to go? That's not Sandro.
Just get shit like this. That's it.
Yeah, I know. Check out this. Oh, it's the Audi, bro. Oh man, this Audi's sick. I thought it was done. That's not done. Look at Rami. Rami. I'm Judd. He moved. He's right there. I like his car though. It's nice. Got a Mustang. He's got underglow lights on his car. Man, that's sick. This would be a fun project car right here, huh? That's what Harshin has. Shout out Harshin. Alright, yeah, so got two bundles. Is this an AMG? I can't even tell. Yeah, it is. Yeah. This is Harshin, I think. I don't know. What's going on, man? This is the 300 Hellcat. That thing is nice. This thing is nice, bro. Audi. Got some more cars over here. Check this out, guys. We got the CT 5V Blackwing. Wow, this thing is nice. That's nice. Oh, that's that one dude, bro. That's that one dude. Oh, no way. No way. Alright, but yeah, we got these cars over here. Check that out. I know you guys like that. I don't know what that yellow thing is called, but I think it's a Nissan.
I work there. What do you do there?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I just gotta be careful, man. You seen that? Got some cars over here. Check out this Lexus. Got a classic Mustang. Decent amount of cars over here. Got this one, man. LT1 Supra. Hey, yo, this guy's Punjabi, I think, bro. This guy right here in the Supra. Which way? Alright, bet. This thing is sick. The yellow Supra. See, it's V8 Eater. I like the window. It's really nice. What, the Challenger? Oh, Abdullah, you finally brought out the Shelby, huh? Man, look at that CT5E Blackwing. That thing is so nice. Oh my goodness. Bro, I got, hey bro, what's up, man? I gotta record you for YouTube real quick. Can I just walk around your car real quick? My man, you the man, bro. Thank you. This thing is fire. Oh shit. This thing is fire. Sheesh. Oh my god, bro. That's crazy. What's up, bro? You good? Bro, you not realize what this is?
Yeah, I know what this is.
CT5V Blackwing, bro. Man, this thing is fire. You good, bro? You good? Man, no, fuck, bro. Alright, there's not that many cars here, so we're gonna go ahead and head back towards my car. I'm gonna head back across the street, show you guys some of these other cars. There's Sajad. Samir, come on, run it.
This is power steering from
Yeah, that is power steering. See, I knew it. That's power steering pump, bro. And it was coming from back over there. I think it's squirrel. The Wendy's is right here. Should we wait? Okay, let's go. See, look, it's getting cooler out now, huh? Feel it?
This is a beat.
Hell yeah. right, come on. Damn. That's a GT500. There's Josh Laurent, guys. Come on for YouTube. Oh shoot! Never mind. Never mind. Don't do it. You won't do it.
Almost got into an accident.
What the hell is that? Alright. Should we cross? That sounds good. That sounds good. Straight back. Oh, no way. That's Alright guys, I guess the meet is over. I didn't really get to record a lot. I did come late. So I'm gonna go ahead and head back to the car and I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yo, is this wide bodied?
Yeah.
What? Did you do this?
Yes.
Aftermarket?
Yep.
Dude, this is beautiful. Let me record this for YouTube real quick, bro. I'm sorry. Guys, check this out. Wide body Kia Stinger. Wow. Is it a GT2?
Yes.
Nice. Nice. Kia GT2. That's his Instagram. Check him out, guys. It's a Kia. Slow Kia. Sorry. Get out of your way. Take it easy, man.
You too, man.
That's sick. Back to the Future, guys. Check out this DeLorean. That's sweet. That is so cool. Wow. I didn't even know it was mid-engined.
Rear end.
Rear-engined. Wow.
It's actually.
Wow, that is clean. Point at this vehicle is negative Earth. Wow, that is so cool. So how many of these were like made in the world?
They made a total of like almost 10,000. Like
10,000?
9,500-ish.
So do you know, like, by any chance, like as of today's numbers, like how many of these are left? 6,000 of
I
them?
think it's about 6,000.
Wow. Holy cow.
They're not super rare, but it's...
Yeah.
After all, it's a Detroit company.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't remember that, but it's,
Yup.
it's a Detroit company.
He said like 8 hours on, but,
The office was in Troy.
but they were all also working on
Was it really?
They did like 4 hours.
Yeah, the corporate offices were in Bloomfield, and the sort of like company like main building here was in Troy.
I see. How about that, huh?
If they're working on
That is so cool. This is literally the original. It's got the leather strap right here to pull down door once you're inside. But yeah, guys, it's a manual. No rear seats, of course. This thing is clean. Check out the gauges. Sweet.